Have you ever asked yourself how you can convert your PDFs to Excel? Let's learn how you can do this with PDF Extra. When you open PDF Extra, you have two choices: either choose the document and open it, or click on the button More and choose the function PDF to Excel. We decided to go with the first option and open our document directly. Then you will see the last option on the toolbar will be your conversions formats. Click on the button PDF to Excel and select the language of your document. Then save the new file on your computer. PDF Extra will start converting to your PDF. Once it is ready, it will notify you. You can open it through your recommended software or choose the folder where you saved it and open the new file.
If you like this tutorial, please click like or visit our YouTube channel to learn more.